This is all it is, that he keeps missing. And have to think about it, I wanna keep standing. Everything alright, but he's insistent. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist him. I know my hidden lips can be deceiving, but how on the edge should a girl be? I was thinking about the early conversation he said. I really like the way that he respected me. You really, really love me when I'm getting. I wonder if it knows what he can take it. I'm winning. I feel like I'm alone and I'm done from the beginning. This is opportunity to take you and make you feel at last. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I give the wrong idea. Go use my numbers to freak that out of trouble. This is showing him that he keeps missing. I'm kinda showing up, all this full of tension. As sexy as it's got him in a new dimension. I'm ready to do something to release this mission. I'm too impatiently want him to come and get it. He came over and asked me if I wanted to get with it. I knew I had my money up from the very beginning. Get yourself a turn, you say and make it feel it. 'Cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button to let me know before I get the idea. Go, you're gonna miss the freak that I control. You're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the idea. Go, you're gonna miss the freak that I control.
Gusto ko din ang kalahati. Gusto ko na lahat ang gusto ko ay susundin nyo. Ang magkamali, chochorahin ko. Sa silong di ka pa, pero nakatapa kaya nakatapa yung padatyo.
Too late, eventually got him to come and get it. He came over and asked me if I wanted to get with him. I knew that my loving up from the very beginning. Had just opportunities for you and we could feel it. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push yourself on and let me know before I get the wrong idea. No, you're gonna miss the freak that I control. You're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea. Girl, you're gonna miss the freak that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong idea. Girl, you're gonna miss the freak that I control.
Thank you so much, Peter. Thank you so much. Sila JD, sila Cherry, yung mga birthday girls, sila Nika, sila Sally. Thank you so much.
Doris.
Sila Ma'am Doris.
At mga friends from...
Our friends, our loyal friends. Gilbert eh. Sa'yo lang ako sumablay eh. Thank you so much. Oo. Cute ng bata oh. Paglaki niya.
May bata ka dating nga rin.
Huwag naman, ha? Huwag naman, kaya
Guwapo.
Ayoko, ako nga gusto ko, Mims. Oo, anak mo yan eh. Iniiwas ko nga sana hindi yan lumaki tulad namin. Kaso ikaw ang tatay, dinadalo mo dito. Gabi-gabi, huwag mo kami sisihin.
Ay naku, ganyan kaya kami ng bata. Dinadala kami ng nanay namin sa Singay Bars. Paglabas ko, kumilinding na ako, te.
Oh, paano?
Magpapasalamat muna tayo, of course.
Okay.
Yun ang bibilisan na lang natin. Maraming salamat, Elegant Minerals Makeup. Kung gusto niyo po umorder, just log on to www.poshandglam.com. Maraming salamat. Kami po ni Angel yan. Tapos kung magagawin po kayo ng Adriatico area sa may Malate, may maliit na negosyo po ako dyan. Mamaya nandun daw si Angel.
Mapupunta doon ako mamaya.
Ang pangalan po ng bar, Eras Bar and Grill. Open po siya 24 hours. So kung nasa Adriatico lang kayo at wala nang magimikan, bukas na bukas po kami lagi. Ayan, maraming salamat. Elegant Minerals, thank you.
Ako ano, masalamat kay Dr. Heleno Capo para sa akin dental care, tsaka kay Dr. Mercy para sa akin, alam niya na.
And I would like to thank MMDA for my skincare.
Ano to? Spa to? Ayan, ako naman invite ko po kayo manood
manonood po bukas, tsaka sa Sunday, every Saturdays and Sundays, Takeshi's Castle, 11:30 po ng tanghali. Tapos po sa Wednesday, manood po kayo ng Sis sa Genway, nandun po ako 10:30 a.m.
Ayan, maraming salamat. At dahil pinangako namin na last ulit kanina, ay nako, nandito na, napaka-sweet, di ba? Hindi na namin kipag-intayin.
Ay, oo nga pala, on September 24, I would like to invite you, if you have time, please do pass by any Robinson's Theater. Regular screening mo po ng independent film namin entitled The Thank You Girls. And this is also an official entry to the Vancouver International Film Festival. So you might as well come see it because you'll get to see the beautiful spots of Davao and some parts of Mindanao. And this film was entirely shot in Visayas. So mag-enjoy kayo talaga dito.
At ako hindi lang nila enjoy ang mga iba-ibang lugar ng Davao. Siyempre, nandun ka, isa ka sa mga bida, napakagaling ni Jean. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Tapos, if you're interested, just log into www.thetechgirls.com. Okay, thank you so wonderful audience. Huwag po kayo mawawala pagkatapos sa ating special show. So you do deserve yourselves a big round of applause. Palakpakan. Sit back